Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to upgrade RAM for HP 830 or 630 G9. So I'm unpacking. We have an order for 20 of these new laptops, and they came with 8GB RAM. We need to install the extra 8GB because our specs we gave the client 16GB RAM. So this is just the unpacking process. So I am using one hand on the phone and the other doing the needful. So apologies if this is kind of boring to watch, but we'll quickly get into the RAM upgrading. First we're doing the unpacking. Oh, that wasn't good. So what I like of the light books is that these are business flagships, just the same as Pro books. They come with a metal casing. They have usually good specs in terms of performance, and they are also built with the maintenance aspect in mind, that if you want to upgrade you shouldn't find it difficult. So what we're doing here, we're gonna screw these 5 screws, and that's all you need to do. The beauty part is that they have moved away in the light books. They've moved away from putting screws underneath these rubbers, because once you've taken the rubbers off, the glue, if you're trying to put them on, won't stick as was originally, and over time they'll come off. But this way we don't need to take out the rubber stamps. And then you take off all the 5 screws. Once you've done that, you don't need any tools. Avoid using tools when opening laptops. If you watch my other videos, you notice that I usually discourage using especially metal or plastics if you can use your hands. It's not actually even dangerous. Of course, this is metal, you just need to be careful, but still, I can even use one hand, the left hand here. But for me to quickly do this, I'll use the right hand. So what you do is you press your fingers there, and then pull it rather, not push. You pull it upwards, then that should be able to disengage the hooks, and you'll be able to open this. But if you find it very difficult to do that with your fingers, then I would suggest that you take a plastic tube, because metals will leave dents, and if it's a new laptop or any laptop, you wouldn't want it to have dents all over. You want to make sure that it's clean even after the upgrade. So I'm just putting it up like that so that I get a good grip on the bottom, because I'm using one hand and it's gonna be a little bit difficult, but I got it. I think so. I got the grip with it. Yep, that's it. There, that's it. So we've removed this with one hand, and it was tough because I was using one hand, but with 2 hands, when you have one hand the other side, and the left one on the other side, should be easy to pull it up. So the beauty about your light books, Pro books, is that they'll always put an extra slot, or they'll also, even if it doesn't have an extra slot, maybe the 14th gen, they still have a single slot which you can upgrade. Unlike all the new brands where they're soldering the RAM, so if you want a RAM upgrade, you basically just need to buy another motherboard, and essentially you're just buying another PC. So for people who understands the importance of allowing users to upgrade the computers to meet various clients' needs, this is the right machine to go for. Anyway, so this has got a DDR4 3200 speed RAM, 8GB. So I'll upgrade with the Crucial 3200 speed as well, 8GB DDR4. Right, so simply make room by pulling this cover. It's a dust cover thing, and then slot the lamp. Make sure you're aligning it with the edge. Push it, then push it towards you to fit in the socket, then push it down like that to make sure the hooks are holding it tightly, and that's it. Next thing is you put back the lid, and then you switch it on. In putting back the lid, the most important thing to make sure is that you start with the back. You start with the back, and then make sure it's well aligned. You press to lock the hooks, and then you finish with the top part. This one I had to use one hand to make sure I've well aligned both sides. So since also the videographer here using one hand to do the job, this is why I had to pause to put the lid back on. Thank you. I hope you found this informative. We're gonna quickly just power it up, and then just to make sure it's shooting to the screen. That's it. Okay, make sure all the screws are well tight. Then you're good to go. I'm gonna flip the laptop, so I just need to use both hands. So this is it. You just need to connect the power jack and power it on. Since it's a brand new laptop, usually they're set that the first power on should be triggered by a power jack, power adapter. I think it's a safety option that by chance if it happened to be pressed, maybe what was within the box, it shouldn't turn on. So this is on here. If you're experienced with the RAM upgrades, after you've upgraded RAM, you replace the battery, something like that, it takes a while, not a few seconds, several seconds, maybe 30 seconds sometimes, for it to shoot back to the screen. So I'm just gonna wait for that moment, and there we go. This is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Give feedback in the comments. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And here we have this post-era power on self test. Okay, I think I still need information about this. That's a memory size error. It's recognizing that we have a new memory, and then we need to, to accept that to continue. This is set up like that within BIOS, so that maybe if something happened and then you had maybe the laptop fell and the memory is unhooked from its socket, that you should get an alert and understand that something is not right when the memory size is different to what what was the previous configuration, previous non-configuration. So thank you so much. I need to install the operating system and the other extras. Bye for now.